All right, Truman. This is still the important stuff because it's on the green sheets. So I'll be going over this with you. In your electronic workbook, I made 2 boxes. Your information isn't going to fit in there. It's just one of those editing problems I had. So you can delete the boxes I had and make new boxes, long as I get that information in this area so I can see it. All right, let's get it. Use the clues to figure out the coordinates of each mystery point. Fill in your answer and draw and label your solution on the coordinate plane. So I should have points over here and points here. Well, I should have numbers over here and points there. So I am point A. Let's see. My horizontal position is 3. My vertical position is 4. So we talked about this, and we talked about how vertical horizontal is this way and how vertical is up and down. Also, if I go over here and I look at your horizontal position, it's 3, and then I have to go up, so that makes that 4. On B, my horizontal position is -1. My vertical position is -4. So the same relationships here. So this is -1, -4. So over here, this will be back 1, down 4. And what is that? B. Label it, please. My x coordinate is -3. Ooh. So remember this, we talked about horizontal is your x. So horizontal is your x, so this is -3. My y is 4. Cool. So if one's x, the other's y. So over here, this is going to be back 3, up 4, which is C. Over here it says I am point D. My horizontal position is 2. Horizontal is the first number, and my y coordinate is double my x. Well, if my x is 2, then this is 4. Right here, your y equals 2 times 2. Cool, which is still 4. So to the right 4, up 2, and that is letter D. All right, we're getting this. I am point E. My x coordinate is 2. Well, back up here when we were talking about our x coordinate, it was -3. So x is the first number. So x is the first number. My y coordinate has the same value as my x coordinate. So my y equals my x. That means they're the same. So they're the same. So over here, go over 2 and up 2, and that is E. I am point F. My x coordinate is 2. Well, over here my x coordinate was 2. Ooh, but both of them were 2. So over here, my x coordinate was -3, and that was the first number. So your x coordinate goes first. My y coordinate is the opposite of my x coordinate. So right here, they look the same, but that sign is different. So if that's 2, that's -2. Yeah, what's the opposite of having $5? Owing somebody $5. Makes sense to me. So we're going to go over 2, down 2, and that's F. G, my x coordinate is 3. So my x coordinate was +2. My x coordinate was -3, so x goes first. So my x is 3, and my y coordinate is half the value of my x coordinate. So my y is going to equal 1/2 of 3. So that's going to equal half of 3. Well, half of 2 is 1. Half of 4 is 2. So half of 3 is between it. So 1.5, 1.5. So on this graph, I'm going to go over 3 and up 1.5. It's not on the line, it's right between. So this is G. There we go. All the numbers, all the points labeled. For full credit, please have it.